Okie dokie. Here is a low bun single twist tutorial. For thicker hair, you want to put the ponytail just a little bit higher when you're doing a low bun. That way the bun does not sit on the neck. If you have shorter hair, you could just do like maybe 2 fingers off the neck. For longer hair, I would suggest about 3 fingers off the neck. So right now I already have my ponytail. If I was going on stage, I would have already gelled or put mousse in this ponytail and slicked it back prior to doing the bun, or else you end up with little extra frizzies. So I'm going to turn around so you can see a little bit better. I have my low pony, middle part. You would want that part to go back as far as your hair will allow it to. And then I'm going to start by taking my hair, tightening it up, pulling it to the side for if you're doing it yourself. If you're doing it for someone else, you can obviously keep it behind them. And I'm going to start by twisting all of my hair in one. And I'm going to wrap it around the top of my ponytail. And I like to trade it back to this hand here so that I can hold it to pin it. Then I would take my pins, I would point them down to my head and pull them in to get a nice and tight hold. And I would do a couple pieces. Hello, cake. Please don't eat my hair. Okay, so now I've done that. I've pinned this in. I am going to keep wrapping this around, and I'm going to tuck my extra in. Cake, stop eating my hair. I hold that extra little tail there, and again, poke the hairpin down and pull it in close to the head. From there, I pretty much have my bun in. Thank you, Cake. I am going to take a hairnet. Ideally, you want one that is not destroyed, but for purposes, this works. You want to wrap the hairnet around your hair twice, ideally. If you have thin hair, you can do it 3 times. But I'm just going to put it on my hair. This one's sad looking, so he doesn't really wrap around twice. But I am going to put it there. From there, this is where I would finish doing all of my pinning work. So I'm going to drop my head down so I can get some pins right underneath and push them up. And then again, pin around wherever it feels slightly loose. You're wanting to keep this bun tight to the head, as flat as possible. So if you have thicker hair, it's going to stick out more just because your twist is wider. But if you have thin hair, it's pretty easy to get it nice and flat to the head. But here it is, a low bun with a single twist. From there, I would just add a little bit of hairspray anywhere that I have flyaways. I would pin back. And if I had lumps like this, for example, I would take these little hairpins and pin them down. If you didn't see the high bun video, for the hairpins for your bun, I suggest larger pins. These little ones do not work well for holding buns up. Even for thin hair, they just don't work well. So a bigger pin or a wide pin that's small would work better. These are more for pinning back little flyaways. But again, ta-da, all done.